So we're about to head off on a 6-week trip to the Antarctic. The goal of the trip is really to characterize some of the biodiversity in the Antarctic. There are many ideas and hypotheses about the organisms in the Antarctic. For example, a lot of them are believed to be what's called circumpolar. So one of the goals that we're going down there to do is not only look to see whether things go around, but to actually see how much biodiversity there is in terms of genetic lineages. So I have a couple examples here of some of the organisms we will get. A lot of them will be things like echinoderms. So most people are familiar with these as things like sea urchins or sea stars. But we'll also look at a bunch of other fun organisms, things called pycnogonids or pantopods. These are commonly called sea spiders. One of the very cool things about the Antarctic is a lot of the organisms tend to get much bigger. And so part of our goal is to go down and study these organisms and understand a little bit about their biology.
So I'll be in a certain designated team with other people, and it'll be various tasks of after we collect the organisms through like dredges and trawling and stuff. We'll be sorting through them, identifying them, preserving them properly in order to bring all that data and all those organism specimens back here properly. It's becoming more and more of a reality. It just seems, it came out of nowhere. Senior year, I didn't know what it was gonna look like, how it was gonna be different from the rest of the years. But this opportunity presented itself, and it's cool because I feel like it's, in a lot of ways, everything I've been working towards. It's truly gonna be just so much closure to like my undergraduate experience. To actually have something that's just fieldwork intensive, I think it's really gonna give me a great idea of what I truly, value and what I like and don't like. Never thought I could maybe make it to all 7 continents, but maybe that dream actually is becoming a reality. It seems like the ultimate adventure of all time.
Well, 6 weeks is a long time to be on a boat, so mentally I don't know if you can really prepare for that if you've never been on one of these trips, but I am extremely excited to be a part of this and get an opportunity to go. Antarctica is a place I never thought I'd actually get a chance to go to, and I mean, that's amazing. So we are leaving from Punta Arenas, Chile. We will sail down by the Antarctic Peninsula through the Southern Ocean. We will eventually wind up in McMurdo Sound, which is in Antarctica, and from there we will fly to New Zealand. So this research will directly apply to my dissertation because I'll be studying phylogeography in the Southern Ocean, and so these organisms will be the basic basis for my genetic samples. I don't know many other labs that do this. I mean, there's only just a handful in the world that work on Southern Ocean organisms, so this is a very unique opportunity.